kids, we're back.
We're back again.
We're back again.
Yeah.
Have we missed you?
Have you missed us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're reading. What is it? Whisper it.
Pip the puppy.
Pick a puppy.
Pip
Pick a puppet.
the puppy.
Puppy.
Now, Amber did want to pick a cat one, didn't you, tonight? But you changed your mind.
Yeah, because I like dogs.
You
Do
like
you
your
like dogs?
Do you?
No, maybe I don't.
You don't?
Do you like cats though?
You like cat? Do you?
Do you like cats?
Yes.
But you don't like dogs, do you? No. It's got a bit wrong, this thing. Makes a sound.
Do you want to show them what happened to you today?
I got a cut lip. Can you see this mark? Look, it's still there.
Oh, yeah. How did you do that?
Don't know.
I don't know how you did that, actually. But it's all right now, isn't it? No. Don't plug that in. It's all right now, isn't it, darling? Tell them. Let go. Isn't it?
Yeah. It's all right now. Can you see?
Good. So.
Hi kids, we're back.
We're back again.
We said that.
Oh, yeah, we said that.
We're back.
We're back.
We said
Oh,
that.
we've said that.
Sit there.
You're not sitting there because the children can't see you.
So
See?
you'll just move on the
No, I won't, darling. Stop picking your noo-noos. Right.
Got to do my hands.
Done your hands earlier, didn't we? Look, do you remember? We did them. We washed them.
Look.
What?
It's got a little bit dirt on here.
Oh, yeah.
Up
Now,
here.
we watched a film about a squirrel today, didn't we? And there's a squirrel in the tree. And this story is called Pip the Puppy. Now, let's see what's going on. Pip with the... Oh my... Look, it's doing it again. Pip is a pup with a very loud bark. He's
You're
scared...
moving.
Might be. He scares all the cats when he strolls through the park. Would you be scared if you was a cat?
No.
Look at them all running up the tree.
We peoples, aren't we?
We are people, darling. We're not animals, are we?
No, William and Mummy. William is a boy.
Yes.
I'm a girl.
Yes.
And Mummy's a girl. And Daddy and William is a boy.
Yes. We're not cats or dogs, are we?
No, because I'm not scared of dogs. Because we people.
We're people, aren't we?
Yeah, are you peoples or
Yeah,
dogs?
they're people, aren't they?
Can I come at your house? And William and Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah. We're back again.
What's that?
It's going again, look.
Can we?
Oh no, look, it's stopped. It's not working again. It's going funny. Well, we're just going to have to read it, aren't we?
On ourselves.
Yeah. Well, we'll still film it. But you might be getting funny videos here, guys.
Oh, we stopped.
It's all going funny. Again. I don't know why.
Oh, screen.
Something wrong with it.
Ourselves, don't we?
Yeah.
We need to read it on ourselves, kids, don't we?
Well, it's working now.
Let's just read it.
Let's try it. He woofs when he's happy, and when he's sad, he woofs when he's good, and he woofs when he's bad. Look at him. He's barking all this. He's barking at the bird. You're not sitting there, I've told you. He woofs in the sunshine.
After when we done our book,
Yeah.
let's have tea and...
Oh, Mo and Tea. Tea and Mo.
No, I don't want tea and Mo.
Who do you want?
I don't want any telly this night.
Really?
No.
Okay. He woofs in the sunshine and in the rain. He stops while he's sleeping, but then he starts up again.
With one eye again.
Oh yeah, look at his eye. It's gone funny. Look, I do it. Do the one eye.
Oh, it's gone screamy.
Oh, it's gone funny.
Stop.
Oh, it has stopped.
Where's the red mark? Can't see a red mark. Can I get?
No, it's not. The red light has stopped flashing, so it's not recording. Oh, it's back again.
Again.
It's back again.
We're back, kids.
They're back again. Oh, I don't know. Look, there he is in his basket.
In this basket. In this basket.
With his one eye. Okay. He woofs in the night time and then at first light. Often
Yes, sir.
he gives the poor postman
There.
a fright. Can you come back, please? I need you to come back, please. I said no. Thank you. You can go when we finish this. There's my poor postman, look, running with all the letters. He's running away. Ah! Look at him. And look at Snail's eyes. You're missing all this. You're missing all this, look. What? Hang on a minute.
Have we read this book?
Have we read this book?
Maybe we haven't.
I don't think we have. You know what I think?
Yeah?
If Pip had his way, he'd spend the whole day woof. I don't want my sock taking off, thank you. It's gone again. He'd spend the whole day woofing away. Tickle me, please. That's useless. Please stop. I don't want you to tickle my feet. We're trying to talk to the kids. The video's gone wrong. It's all gone wrong tonight. Come and sit by here. I don't want to tickle my feet. I tickle yours. Oh, come and sit here. You wanted to sit over there. Sit over there. There she goes. Go on.
Inside.
Pardon, you're getting in my bed.
Yeah.
In my bed. In my bed. In my bed. Oh, what a video tonight. Oh dear, we've had it messing up.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is Babes, get in. This is supposed to be a bedtime story. Thank you. Can you get in and say goodbye to them? We need to go to sleep. Hello? In. Right, get out then.
No.
If you're not getting in my bed, get out. Night night. This was a funny one tonight, wasn't it, guys? Yeah.
Good night, kids.
Good night, kids.
Beep boop.